In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ElevenLabs affiliate program. If you want to share a tool you enjoy and earn commissions for referrals, this walkthrough will guide you from your homepage to the sign up button in just a few straightforward clicks. I'll keep the pace steady, explain what you'll see on screen, and offer helpful tips along the way. Start on your ElevenLabs homepage. This is the main dashboard you land on after signing in, where you typically see your projects, recent activity, and navigation options. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. The layout is clean and most account controls sit toward the top of the page. Now look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It's usually a small circle showing your avatar or the first letter of your account name. Click that icon to open the account menu. If you're on a phone or a smaller tablet, you might need to tap a menu icon first, then your profile. Either way, the goal here is to reveal the account drop-down so you can access the affiliate option. Inside that drop-down, select Become an Affiliate. This is the exact label you're looking for. It typically appears alongside items like settings, billing, or account details. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll within the menu or give it a second to load. Occasional interface updates can shift menu positions slightly, but the wording remains consistent. Clicking this will take you to the affiliate area where enrollment is available. On the affiliate page, click Sign Up for the affiliate program. This button is usually prominent and placed near a brief overview of how the program works. Selecting it begins the enrollment process. Depending on your account and region, you may briefly see terms or a short notice confirming your choice. Simply follow the on-screen prompt to complete this action. After you click Sign Up, look for a confirmation message. Some accounts will instantly show an affiliate dashboard with a unique referral link and basic performance stats, while others may indicate that access is being prepared. Either outcome is normal. The key step is the sign up you just completed. A couple of quick tips. If the affiliate option doesn't appear in your profile menu, refresh the page or try a desktop browser, as smaller screens can collapse or hide certain items. Also, watch your notifications for updates about your affiliate status. Once you have access, consider bookmarking the affiliate page so your link and reports are always just a click away. And that's it. From your homepage, you click the profile icon, chose Become an Affiliate, and then selected Sign Up for the affiliate program. You're all set to start promoting and earning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.